Alright, so it is almost 12 a.m. and I think my leopard geckos are being lazy. It's supposed to start snowing in 8 hours according to the Weather Channel. So my geckos, nobody's out, like really. The cages, everyone's in hiding. This is when I wanted to see everyone's behavior right before we get hit by a snowstorm. And honestly, the geckos, there's like no geckos out. Like, there's nobody seriously out right now. Normally, everyone would be out, because I did feed everyone today. They ate earlier, and then they all went to sleep. You see the tarantula's booty. There's Cypher right there. But yeah. Probably got to turn the light on. Wait a minute, what is that? That's not my tarantula. That's not my tarantula. What spider is that? I don't even know what the spider that is. Where did that come from? It's for real not my tarantula. That is not. Where did that thing come from? Because my there's supposed to be Mexican Redney in here. That is not a Mexican Redney, I can tell you that much right now. That's just like a normal... That's just like some normal spider. That's not my sling, first off. The heck is going on? Where did you come from? You got a big ass cricket in there. Because what's supposed to be in there is not that. I don't know what that is. Does anybody know what that is? I can promise you right now that's not a tarantula sling. It's not what I had in there. I don't know where this thing came from. Where's my sling at? See, now it has me worried now about how my sling is. Because I don't even know what that thing is. I don't even know where that thing came from. I'm going to turn on the light because I don't know what is going on. Alright, hold on guys. That's weird. No, the Mexican Redney sling looks like, because I have one right here. Oh look, there went my one sling. There goes my Hattie. I just had to show them off real quick. But I'm so confused right now. Because there's my other Mexican Redney. As you see. That's how they look as slings. Not this thing. I don't know what that thing is. I'm gonna have to take that cricket out, that's for sure. What is that freaking thing? If anybody knows what the hell that is, I'd really like to know. What is that? Now I'm a little worried for my sling that was in here. I don't know what the heck that thing is. You let me cheat that cricket that's right there. Well, that ain't happening. Alright, I'm gonna take that cricket out, and I'm gonna have to carefully try to find my sling without that thing bolting out. What an odd discovery I just found. What in the world? Alright, problem aborted. Well, not aborted, but mission completed. I don't know what that thing is. Really freaking don't at this point. It's some freaking weird spider. It must have came in on the birch or whatever, because the sling is down underneath here. So, here, hold on. Oh, must have dug underneath. But anyways, this thing's in there. I don't feel like I deal with a spider bolting out. But trust me, this thing's in there. It's fine. A lot bigger than that little thing was. I don't know what the hell that is, but that can stay in the other container away from my baby. But my sling's doing good. It's not cool, yeah. I don't know what that was, but I didn't like that. Even though I took its food out, I'll give it another tiny cricket later or something. But yeah, they're Mexican Rennies. The Mexican Rennies, this sling looks exactly like this one. Like, of course, that's the bad lighting. There you go. There's Cypher. There's Cypher. Come on, Cypher. Come out for Mom. But yeah, it looks exactly like this one. So, actually, I think this one, the other one's a little bigger than Cypher. But anyways, I don't know what that spider was. Okay, so, yeah, that's just perfect. Now I gotta check every single container, because I did bring in some birch from outside. The sticks I've been having, so I know it didn't come from the sticks. And the dirt, I know it's not the dirt, because I don't get dirt from outside. And my little jumping spider. Just doing a nighttime check on everybody, and I'm glad I did, because I'm glad I caught that. But I washed the barge like several times. I know, I don't have to worry about anything in the Hattie will mess something up if it's in there. I wouldn't want to be in there with that thing. But yeah, I just got done not too long ago watching Adam's channel from Wiccan Reptiles. He did Dream came out. I guess all the banging around. I'm sorry guys, I woke these guys up. I'm sorry babies, look how chunky they look. I fed them a lot today, I'm not gonna lie. I fed them a lot, and I gave them that treat last night. Yeah, the treat of mealworms and stuff last night. But my baby girl's sleeping. She's been so sleepy. See, the reason why these guys are more awake than she is, because there's a cold draft that comes in up over here, and I know she feels it more than what these guys do. But I turned on the heat, so it should get warm over here pretty fast for her. And she should perk up, or wake up, or stay asleep. She's been sleeping a lot lately, though. There's a Vicky Lara. But anyways, as I was saying, I was watching Adam's channel. I just got done watching his channel and stuff. He did a fundraiser for Brian Barczyk, and it was really sweet of him to raise all that money for Brian, for the legacy, and to get a plaque and stuff, and to help donate money to build the one enclosure, because you get to donate money and build help finish building the enclosures for Brian. So everyone's been donating and helping out a lot to try to get these closures and stuff built for Brian and his name. And then there's plaques you get put up for your donations and stuff for helping with fundraising the money and getting the plaque put up and stuff. So yeah, Brian entered hospice care today. Now there's all kinds of fake news articles going around about saying that he died already and stuff. He hasn't passed away yet, guys. Like, he's still fighting. He's still trying to be with us. And there's the GBV Moonbin. Moonbin's out. There's Spooky. Of course, Ivy's never out. Like, Ivy doesn't like being out. Trying to check up on these guys. See his behavior's what before a snowstorm. Winter I never see either. Winter's always stays buried. This one's been busy. Coconut, I don't know what Coconut's be doing over here. But, yeah, they've been busy playing with tunnels and burrows and all kinds of fun stuff. But yeah, it's sad to know that Brian has now entered hospice care. And I hope there's still prayers for him. And oh, there's my Trinidad Olive. Like, this camera is crapola tonight. Or it's just the lighting. I don't know what the hell's going on tonight. But yeah, like, I don't mean to bounce around, like, talking between two different subjects and between the animals and talking about Brian. But yeah, it sucks that he's now in hospice care and stuff. And that they can't do anything else to help him. It's really heartbreaking. He's definitely the OG of the reptile community. And we're all gonna miss him and stuff. Psycho. Little psychopath. But yeah, I lit all these, like, candles tonight for prayers for Brian and his family. Here's Zeus. If it wasn't for Brian, this community wouldn't be the way it is today. So, we're all praying for him. Right, Raven? Now we're just praying that, you know, he's comfortable and that he won't be in pain anymore. It sucks to lose somebody like Brian and stuff. So if everybody wants to go to the Legacy, you can go to the GoFundMe page to donate for the Legacy build to help build its project that, you know, that's got started and that we're hoping that will open sometime in 2024. So we're all trying to donate money and raise up money so that we got done. So we will see it open this coming year at some point for Brian. And we're hoping a lot of people come out and see it on opening day as well. So even if it's just $1, $2, like, anything counts, guys. Like, any donations you can do. There's a little jumping bean. Everything helps, especially at this time in need for his family and stuff. Like, I know they could probably really use the support and everything. I know hospice care ain't cheap either. Like, we had to do that with a couple people in my family, like my grandfather and my uncle. My one uncle's in hospice care right now, actually. And I still know what they're going through. I know how horrible it is. But yeah. I'm going around checking on the animals. See who's out, who's doing what. Most of them are just, like, even Rain's not even out. Like, everybody's sleeping. Lola, you know, everybody see Lola. Lola is just there. She's in her tree. I heard her run into a tree. Like, you can hear her, like, scamper across. But, yeah, everyone's going into burrows, hiding. But we're gonna see how they are during the snowstorm tomorrow and see how their behaviors are. I still can't believe I found that spider in my sling container. That has me so mad. I threw it in with a molt that I had earlier. And it's just hanging onto this molt. I don't know where else to put it. I don't know what it is. If anybody knows what kind of spider this is, please let me know. I'd like to know. Because I have no idea. Kind of looks like a type of widower. Or I don't even freaking know what it is. It has a big booty though. Kind of reminds me of a like it has long legs in front, like a huntsman spider, kind of. I don't know. I don't even know at this point. A weird spider species. But I still can't believe that. I'll keep it, like, don't get me wrong, I'll keep the little thing, but It totally caught me off guard of what it is. I'll make a little home for it. It's dragging around that piece of... Oh, goodness. Okay, whatever. I'll feed it some fruit flies and I'll make a little home for it. I have dirt and... But just take the mold out of this then and just add some dirt and some little stuff for it. Which actually I think I might go do. Because I don't know what to do with this little thing. But yeah. Hi, baby. How you doing? You come and say hi to Mom? There's Autumn. There's my curly hair. My girl curly hair tarantula. You think she can escape 24/7? She's always trying to climb out of this enclosure. She's a cutie though. So cute. Wait. There's Jace. I'd expect him to be out. Of all the geckos, he's the he's literally the only gecko out. Bella's not out. Clary's not out. Athena's not out. Jace, you're the only one out. What do you gotta say, you piggy? He's fat. He likes to be out. He knows I fed them. Now he hunts at night, so I knew he would be out. Hi, Piggy Wiggy. What you doing, buddy? He's like, let me be fat. What a goofball. Everybody else is still... Look at this lazy girl. Precious is being Precious in her cute, precious way as always. She's just chilling in her spot. I don't know where Beta's back there. But yeah, everybody's on sleepy brumation time. They're ready for their snowstorm. This is where we'll see her probably all day tomorrow. I'll probably do a video and she'll still be in that spot. Knowing her. She'll lazily lick the leaves and stuff for her drinks. But other than that, her lazy butt will be in that spot. It's just the way it is. Nope, look who's actually running around her cage. There's Izzy. It's one of my June geckos. She's cute. So cute. She was there earlier sunbathing. Tiki's been hiding. I saw him earlier racing across. He ran into down in here, which don't surprise me because that's normally his spot. But Izzy loves being back there because she loves being in her forest area. She loves her plants, even though she squished the whole front line right here. There was a vine coming up through here and she kind of squished it. You see she's sitting on that leaf right there. But yeah, that's my girl Izzy. She's really cute. Cute little gecko. But yeah, I'm gonna go make a home for this weird little spider. Feed it some fruit flies. I still can't believe I found that thing. But we will see who's out later. And then we'll just keep going to see how their behaviors are and if anything changes during the snowstorm or if they're just gonna stay in their hibernation, brumation type stages that they're in right now. They're all in sleep mode or lazy mode basically. They all ate good earlier and now they just want to sleep. So we'll check these guys out. Oh, I knew Ming Ming would end up waking up. The light's on too long. Sorry, sleepy girl. Look how sleepy she is. She said, I just want to sleep. Alright, so I'm going to turn the light back off for Ming Ming's sake. I gotta go downstairs anyways to get the dirt and stuff to build this pot for this spider. So we'll let our baby girl go back to sleep over here. And I will catch up with you guys later.